Hello again. So this is where we landed. This is our calendar, and now we are going to continue iterate on that. Last time we said that we want. Oh, I see that there is a bug here. Hmm, something wrong. Never mind. So last time we said that we wanted to have a couple of things. First of all, a notification to my phone, so later on I will take it to the as a notification to my client's phone. That's one. The other thing that I thought of meanwhile is that I think the calendar is too long with a lot of scrolling, which is not very easy to use. And did you see that? I scrolled down and then I needed to scroll up, and it was collapsing with those two scrolls. You see, the scroll of the screen and the scroll of the calendar. Not very nice, not very good, not very intuitive. So let's fine tune that. I think what we need to do is to make the calendar a little bit smaller in height. So I won't see the 30 minutes of every slot. I will see an hour intervals, but the user could pin between the hours, and then you will get the 30-minute intervals, just like Google Calendar. So that's one, and the notification is the other thing that I want to do. Let's start with the UI stuff because it's driving me nuts. So, okay, let's tell him. I I would like to have, sorry, a um, smaller height of of sorry about the spell mistakes of the calendar with our intervals, no 30-minute, kinda like what Google Calendar does. Let's start with that, okay? Let's see what he will give me. And I don't want to mix that prompt with the prompt of the notification because it's really two different things, and I don't want to confuse him or to make it more complex. So let's see what he did here. I think he's done. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, this is much, much better. What if I will do, but I cannot choose 2.5 or 30 minutes after past 2, so that's a gap. So let's tell him that that when I'm hovering on each cell, I could see the half of a cell. Okay, let's see if that will work. When hovering on each cell, the mouse will indicate a 30-minute intervals. Let's see. He okay. Nice. Okay, I think he got it. Let's start with that. So I think 12. This is good. No, but 12:30. Good, good. I pushed 12:30 and good. On the Okay, let's stop here. On the next one, we're gonna do the notification, I guess. All right. See you on the next one. Thanks.